Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm sharing easy and refreshing Oroshi Soba. Oroshi refers to daikon oroshi, which means grated daikon in Japanese. It gives such a refreshing taste and texture. This is super easy recipe and it's perfect for warm days or when you don't have much time to prepare your meal. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy it, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you love Japanese food, follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end, here's the Japanese word of the day, tsuyu. Tsuyu means thin liquid sauce used for dipping noodles or tempura. So you can say soba no tsuyu or tempura no tsuyu. Have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. And sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね!